You're sitting in easy pose, spine tall, elongation through the crown of the head. Bring your hands into prayer pose, knuckles of the thumbs resting right here on the sternum, fingertips pointing upwards, and your elbows almost parallel to the mat without lifting up your shoulders. Bring the elbows parallel to the mat, gentle pressure on your palms, eyes closed and raised up to focus in between the eyebrows at your third eye center, and begin a breath of fire. If you are on the first 3 days of your moon cycle, you can just practice long, deep breathing instead of breath of fire, or just make that breath of fire very gentle. When you're doing breath of fire, you can break down the Satnam into Sa, Ta, Na, Ma to correspond with your breath, and so you're still connected to the mantra. So in the breath of fire, Sa, Ta, Na, Ma, keep it going, we're almost there. And inhale deeply. Suspend the breath. Activate rectum, pelvic floor, navel squeeze. And exhale. Bring your fingers right down to the pads. Stick your thumbs out, arms up and out. And then bring your arms out to 60-degree angle. The thumbs are like they're plugged into the universe. Feel a stretch at your sternum. Eyes again focused up and in, closed. Begin a breath of fire. This is Ego Eradicator, very powerful posture. If you feel any discomfort, if you feel the energy really rising, just keep it going with that gentle breath of fire. Let this posture do its magic. Stay steady. Keep stretching through the armpits, opening, stretching into the posture right from your heart. Last 20 seconds. And inhale super deep. Activate that root block. Up and in. Hold that breath. Bring your thumb tips to touch above your head. Stretch the fingers out. And on the exhale, fingers are together. They sweep down the sides. Fingertips touch the ground and straight away. Inhale, arms up, palms touch together. Exhale, down, fingertips touch the mat. Inhale up, exhale down. Moving with your breath, keeping those eyes closed. Aura sweeps. Here we go. Let your breath be powerful. And let your breath support you when the challenge comes. Let your inhale pull up the arms and the exhale brings them down. Your breath is your energy center. Steady. Last 20 seconds, you got this. And inhale, arms up, palms together, squeeze that root lock. Exhale, arms sweep down the sides. One last time, clear the aura. Connect the palms to the earth, let it go into the earth. Let Mama Gaia take over. Palms facing up on the thighs. Just being with your body's expression of this energy. No moving, no fidgeting, total awareness. Well, that's part B. And if you like, move on to part C, the meditation.